What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is not at all what I had planned for you guys. I was not able to get the DIY done that I planned to put out for this Sunday. So I'm going to put this one out instead, but I think it's a really cool, fun, easy DIY that would be a great fix if you're having this problem. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I took this pant jumpsuit thing and I decided to turn it into a dress instead of keeping it a pantsuit. I did not like the way that it fit me at all as a pantsuit, so I thought that an easy fix would be just to take it and turn it into a dress. So I added some cute lace to the bottom of it. This is a super easy quick fix if you have this problem in your closet. So without further ado, let's get into how I made this thing. Okay guys, materials are in the description box below. We're going to start by taking our seam ripper and we're going to seam rip out the inseam of those pants. Now that we've done that, see it's all completely open like that? Very good. Now we're going to go ahead and fold it back to its original state so that I can determine the length for the dress. In order to do that, I'm going to take a skirt that I know fits me well and put it at the waistline of this pantsuit and use that for my template to determine the length. Then I decide, I think that I want this a little bit longer than where this skirt is, so I go ahead and cut a little bit further down from where the end of the skirt is. Okay, so now that everything's cut, I'm going to go ahead and flip this inside out. At this point, it is inside out, and you know how pants come to a point? Well, we obviously don't want our dress to come to a point like this, so I'm going to go ahead and level this area out with some scissors. I'm just going to start cutting where everything should be lined up perfectly all the way down. So I did that on the one side. This is the second side. I'm going to do the exact same thing so that it's all level and good. Now that I've done that, I'm ready to pin everything together so that I can sew it down those sides that are open. Okay, first side pinned together. Now I'm on my second side here. I'm finishing up these last few pins. Now that I've got that second side pinned, I'm going to flip the garment right side out so that I can see if everything's laying the way that I expect it to. And it does, so I decide to sew it together. Okay, so I sewed it together. Everything was good. When I tried it on, it was way too long. So that pin that you see there, that's the length that I need it to be at. Look at how much excess is there. Wow, I really just overshot that, didn't I? Thought it would look good long, didn't look good long at all. So I decide that I'm going to cut it like this. I go down one side and then I just take the pins out and I'm just going to go around in a circle, thinking that was a good idea and that it would look fine when I got to the end. I would meet where I already started cutting. Yeah, so that didn't happen. Now I'm laying it flat and as you can see, it's all messed up. Wonderful. Shouldn't have done it that way. So now I'm doing it the right way and I laid it flat and now I'm cutting it perfectly across so that I can line everything up the way that I need it to be because that was not working, clearly. So I go ahead, I'm showing you here, I'm going to do a rolled hem to finish off this dress. There you go. And there's the rolled hem, but I tried it on and guess what? Now I feel like it's a little bit too short. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and add some lace to the bottom of it to make up for the additional length that I feel I need. And that should fix everything. So I'm just pinning the lace to where I've done the hem here. I'm going to pin it all the way around. Now I'm to the very edge here. So I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors and just cut off all of that excess that I have on the end there. Here we go, snip, snip, snip. That's ready to roll. Now I'm just going to take it to my sewing machine and sew it together. And there we go. Boom, ready to roll. Easy DIY. So there you go, guys. Such an easy DIY. All I did was take the inseam of the pants out, then straighten everything out, sew it together, decide on what the length was going to be, add some lace. done. I mean, that was a super easy DIY. Even a non-sewer can do this DIY. All you would do is use fabric glue in the places where I decided to sew. So this could also be something that a person who doesn't like to sew could do as well. So don't think that all of my DIYs are for people who sew. Just substitute fabric glue or even an E6000 in place of the parts that I decided to sew. I just wanted to point that out to you guys because I want to inspire everybody, and I hope that everybody gives these DIYs a try. Everybody who actually watches my videos anyways, I hope that you give these DIYs a try because they really are easy to do. So just go for it. What's the worst thing that's going to happen? It's not going to turn out. So what? You tried. At least give it a try. I just want to encourage people to at least try because I can tell you right now, I have done so many DIYs that have not turned out, including today. The ones that I was working on today just did not turn out the way that I wanted them to, so I have to think of a different way to do them. So don't get discouraged. Everything doesn't always turn out the way that you see it in your head. You can always figure out a way to either make it work or, you know, just start over and do something else. I mean, crafting's supposed to be fun, so have fun doing these DIYs. I hope that you're enjoying my videos. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, do all those things to help other people find this channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye! So I figured I would put this video out today. Without further ado, let's just do this. And that didn't work. I'm just filling this out. Great. Okay. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to not do what I planned. And that didn't work. Do it again. Awesome. I was not able to get the DIY that I was working on for you done today. So I have to put the... Oh, wow. Doesn't work. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is not at all what I had planned for you for today. I can't talk. Oh my gosh. And it's crooked. Okay. So there you go, guys. That was super easy. I mean, all I did was seam rip out the inseam and just straightened it out and sewed it down. And that's pretty much it. Decided on the length, of course, and then added some lace. I mean, this is so... Why do I keep saying I mean? Again. So there you go, guys. That is a quick, super easy fix if you have this problem in your closet. I mean, all I did was seam rip out the... Why do I keep doing that? Again. So, I mean, it also could be a non-sew type DIY, but in the end, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button. This isn't working. Not all of my DIYs are for people who sew. So if you do have... this was going well until then. Literally all I did was take the inseam of the pants out and then straighten everything out, sew it together, decide on some length, decide on the length. Ugh.